In today's data-driven world, organizations face a growing challenge: how to effectively access and leverage data locked in siloed systems. These silos often include mainframes, relational databases, and NoSQL platforms, making unified insights seem out of reach. CONNX is Software AG's advanced enterprise data solution, enabling seamless access and utilization of data across diverse formats and locations. CONNX is a powerful solution that breaks down barriers to your data. It empowers organizations to optimize data management, enhance collaboration, and drive informed decision-making. Data is often locked in silos across various platforms, making it difficult to gain a unified view for analysis and decision-making. That's where CONNX comes in. CONNX provides seamless access to over 150 different data sources, enabling organizations to unlock the value of their data, no matter where it resides. Whether your data is stored on mainframe data sources such as Database, DB2, vSAM, or IMS, CONNX can connect to it securely and efficiently. It eliminates the need for costly migrations while maintaining the integrity of your existing systems. CONNX also supports modern platforms, including databases running on Linux, Unix, or Windows environments, like SQL Server, DB2, and more. With a robust and flexible architecture, it bridges the gap between legacy and modern systems. With the ability to connect to over 150 data sources, CONNX empowers organizations to unify their data into a single view, regardless of platform or format. This includes relational, hierarchical, NoSQL, and cloud-based systems. At the core of this integration is the CONNX database adapter and data virtualization technology. It enables real-time access to disparate data sources, creating a virtualized layer that provides a consistent and unified view of your data for easy querying and analysis. Once your data is virtualized, it can be seamlessly connected to your preferred BI tools, such as dashboards, reporting systems, and analytics platforms. Using standard SQL queries through ODBC or JDBC, CONNX delivers the insights you need in real time, empowering business intelligence like never before. CONNX transforms how you interact with your data, giving you the tools to create actionable dashboards and visualizations from any data source, mainframe to modern, allowing you to break down silos and unleash the full potential of your data. Now we transition to demonstrating how to visualize related data sources that are located on disparate silos. For our demonstration, we are going to use 3 siloed data sources. The first 2 data sources are vSAM files that are located on an IBM mainframe system. The third data source is located on an SQL server running on Windows. The relationship between the data sources are as follows. One customer can have one or many orders. Each order can have one or many products. To visualize the data, we use the very useful CONNX utility called Infonaut. This query shows all customers, their orders, and products. Note that the products table is located on an SQL Server database, and the other 2 tables are located on the mainframe. To visualize the data with CONNX, I'm going to show you 3 different tools and approaches. The first will be to utilize natural language questions with generative AI using an OpenAI API. The second is a dashboarding tool called MashZone, and the third will be Microsoft Power BI. Using the natural language query tool, let's find out which product is the most popular with our customers. What is going to happen in the background is that the natural language question and the data structures of the customers' orders and products tables are sent to OpenAI for analysis. OpenAI returns a SQL statement based on our provided information. This SQL query is then used to retrieve the data via CONNX. The natural language query tool returns the result that Pavlova is the most popular product. The full SQL query as generated by OpenAI and used by CONNX to retrieve the data is also displayed. Please note that the total quantity of Pavlova units is 286. MashZone is a dashboarding tool that can access a wide variety of input data sources. In this case, we are using CONNX via JDBC as the input data source. The data displayed are all customer orders, with the products and quantity ordered. The data is retrieved from mainframe vSAM and Windows SQL Server tables, as mentioned before. On this Mash Zone page, we are going to validate the quantity of pavlova items sold. On the drop-down for product selection, we select the product pavlova and a list of customer orders for pavlova will be displayed. The Mash Zone dashboard returns the orders that contain the product item pavlova. When we add up the product quantities sold on the orders, we determine that the sum of pavlova items sold is 286. This is the same quantity as we found with the natural language question previously. Next, we transition to using Microsoft Power BI to visualize our data. We connect to the CONNX JDBC interface to retrieve data from vSAM and SQL Server. This Power BI dashboard page displays all customers, orders, and products. Power BI has Microsoft's AI tool, Copilot, integrated, allowing us to ask natural language questions of the data. Copilot will pass the question and use the table CONNX table definitions to answer our question. To determine the number of pavlova units sold, we enter the query, show all the orders for pavlova, show the customer name, product ID, product name and quantity in the Copilot query window. We add the returned results to a Power BI query page. This result is the same as before, except that we used Power BI and Copilot with CONNX to obtain the data. In summary, CONNX empowers organizations to unlock the value of their data by bridging the gap between disparate data silos and modern BI tools. From legacy mainframes to cloud platforms, CONNX enables secure, near real-time or real-time data integration, eliminating the need for costly migrations while providing a unified view of your data. Whether you are using intuitive tools like Infonaut, the versatile Mash Zone dashboarding tool, or Power BI with AI-driven natural language queries, CONNX delivers actionable insights that drive informed decision-making and innovation. By seamlessly integrating diverse data sources into modern visualization tools, CONNX transforms how organizations interact with their data. This presentation showcased how CONNX flexibility and compatibility provide the foundation for advanced analytics, enabling you to uncover trends, validate findings, and make data-driven decisions. With CONNX, you hold the key to transforming complex, siloed data into a strategic asset for your business.